Today we are cooking some spare ribs. 2 racks. 2 racks. First, put down some foil or parchment paper, like I have. And you want to put it down meat side down. And then we're going to sprinkle some seasoning on it. I'm going to use this barbecue spice. I've never tried it before. Don't know where I got it, but we're going to try that. Okay, they are seasoned now. Gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes and then flip them. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Now time to flip them over. Meat side up. And season them again. And that's it for about 15 minutes. Okay, after about 10-15 minutes, you see it starting to kind of glaze over and get into the meat. Yeah, alright, now it's on the grill. Okay, when preparing your grill and charcoal, don't do what I did. Yeah, that was just a little messed up. Shit. Ah, it's hot. Yeah, see how this is going to turn out, huh? Break out the water. Okay, so because I don't have a true smoker, I put an old cookie sheet down the bottom filled with water and my ribs on top. And, well, let's set it and forget it. Well, it's been 3 hours. I was going to wrap them in foil, but because of the tray with water, I see no reason to. I already cut them open. And, oh my lord, there's pink smoke. They're done. Now it's time to baste them with some Sonny's barbecue sauce and eat up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how that is cooked. That is like perfect. That is like perfect. I can't wait to get into it. It just goes to show you can make magic happen on a crappy grill. A grill that my son found on the side of the road some 2 years ago and brought it home. And look at this. Thanks, Matt.